Hey everyone, I'm so excited to show you the new way to stay organized in science research. We are doing away with the logbook. We are doing away with the reprint binder. It's all going to be digital. And this is going to be submitted to the judges when they judge your science fair project virtually. So what we're looking at right here is your logbook. It's basically a Google slide presentation, and it is sectioned off into different tabs. Let me just show you how that works. I want to hit present up here, and we see the logbook where you're going to type in your title and your category. But we can divide up into sections. Here you'll have your title, your question, your problem, your hypothesis, or your engineering goal. You'll highlight that and turn that into a link to go straight to your research plan. This will go straight to your paper. This will go straight to your poster, and you'll type in your rationale here. Checklist. This is where you'll have links again to all your forms that you'll be using in science fair. Class notes. When we do presentations like this and you're taking notes, you'll do it in this section. Your journal. This is your basic logbook. You put the date and you type in what you did that day. This is really important when we start doing experimentation. The data section and data analysis, you'll have your data tables, you'll have your graphs, you'll have your statistical analysis you can paste into this section. This will also be in your research paper. It'll also be in your research plan. So it's just copy and pasting it in one more place. Let's see what else. Photo documentation. So throughout the semester, as you're working on your project, taking pictures of what you're doing, you can put these pictures in here, put a caption underneath them so we know what they say. And as you have them here, then you'll have them to put in your research paper, to put them on your poster, to put them in your paper. SDSs and MSDSs. This is where you'll put the chemical name and you'll create a link that'll go straight to that MSDS. Flynn is a great resource for MSDSs. Reprints. Let me talk about these for a second. So this is the first reprint that we see in here. This is the ISEF manual. So I'm going to show you how to turn this into a link that will take you to the reprint in your Doc Hub that you can then highlight and things like that. So let me show you how we're going to do that. So let me get out of this. Let's start right here. So we need to find the ISEF manual. So I'm going to go to ISEF manual. And let's see here. I think this is it right here. Yes, it is. No, this is last year's. That's not good enough. So, all right, let's see if that comes up now. Let's see if this is it right here. Go to the manual right here. So what we'll need to do is, I've already given you instructions in a different module on how to open up how to do the extension for the Doc Hub add-on, but I've already done that here. So if I click around here, you see at the bottom, it says open in Doc Hub. So we're going to open it, and now this file is in your account. It's taking forever to load. All right, so here it is. So we're going to read through this, and maybe we'll do a little highlighting. Maybe I'll highlight this part right here just to make sure we know that it's the right one. And I'm really concerned about continuation projects. So maybe I'll just highlight this information so I know what page I'm going to go to. And so that's all I'm going to do right now. So now I'm going to go back to the main Doc Hub page. I'm going to right click on this, click share, get shareable link, copy it, go back here, and I want to highlight this whole citation, and then I'm going to come up here to where the little link symbol is, and I am going to paste in this, and bam. Now, when anybody, the judges or anybody clicks on this, it'll take them right to your annotated, highlighted journal or information that you have in your reprint binder. How cool is that? So this is basically going to be the main tool that you're going to be using to organize everything for science fair. And there's all sorts of speech to text extensions in Google that you can use, so you don't even have to type stuff in. You can just say it into the microphone. I'm loving this. I hope you are too. In Google Classroom, you will find that this file has already been created for you, and you're just